Homemade rock buns with Chef Josh Omusisi. You are looking for a tea bite. You can try out this recipe, the best homemade rock bun recipe. You can try it out. Trust me, you will not regret doing it. So we are going to start by measuring wheat flour. We need 500 grams. Those are 2 cups. Wheat flour, 500 grams. Those are 2 cups. Or you can use all-purpose flour. You can use all-purpose flour. Then after applying it, we are going to apply sugar. Sugar is 130 grams. Those are 10 tablespoons leveled. 10 tablespoons leveled. Then you're going to apply baking powder, 15 grams. Those are 2 tablespoons leveled. Those are 2 tablespoons leveled. Then after that, we are going to apply salt. Salt 5 grams. That's a 1 teaspoon. That's a 1 teaspoon. Then after that, you mix. New viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for daily recipes. So we're going to apply mixed spices, 4 pinches. You can use mixed spices, you can use garam masala, you can use cinnamon, anything of your choice. You applied 4 pinches as you mix. Then after, you're going to apply Prestige margarine, 130 grams, or they are 4 tablespoons leveled, or you can put two full tablespoons. Then after, you're going to rub until sun texture. You're going to rub until sun texture. You can use Prestige margarine, you can use unsalted butter, you can use Blue Band, anything of your choice. So you rub until sun texture. You're going to rub until sun texture. We are doing homemade rock bands. So you rub until sun texture. So after rubbing until sun texture, we are going to go on another level. So you're going to apply an egg. You're going to apply or add an egg. Then you mix again. You make sure that you give it your time and give it a try. Trust me, you will not regret. Then after, you're going to apply 1 pinch of grated lemon. Yeah, we're going to apply 1 pinch of grated lemon, or lemon peels. Then you can also apply the lemon juice there. Then you're going to add flavor. You can use vanilla flavor or strawberry essence, anything. So you put a teaspoon, but you can also use other flavor, but make sure that you use a clear flavor. You can use chocolate, anything of your choice. So you put 1 teaspoon of flavor. Then after, you're going to apply water or milk. You can use water or milk. So you apply like 200 mils. Then you need, but you have to make sure that it is soft enough. So make sure that even you go beyond the 200 mils. That means you have to apply like 300 what? You have to apply like 300 mils of what? Of water. So I think you can see I added in more what? More milk to make my rock band dough more soft. So apply in more milk as you need, because more milk or water as you need, because we need our dough soft. I think you can see it. After, you are going to grease the tray with Prestige margarine or cooking oil or unsalted butter or Blue Band. Then we are going to pinch. We just pinch as we put on the tray. I think you can see. You pinch as you put on the tray. You pinch as you put on the tray. So after, you're going to light your oven. Make sure that you don't put in a cold oven. You make sure that you first light your oven. It depends on the degrees you have. Then after, we are going to break the egg. Then you whisk it. Then put 2 tablespoons of milk or water to make it lighter. Then after, you whisk. After, we are going to egg wash your rock buns. Yeah, egg wash your rock buns. But I told you do this as your oven is hot. Make sure that you put it either in 130 degrees or 180 or 200. It depends on the type of oven you have. After, you're going to sprinkle with sugar at the top. After egg washing, you sprinkle with sugar at the top. Sprinkle with sugar at the top. Sprinkle with sugar at the top. Then after sprinkling with sugar, we are going, we already preheated our oven. So that means you're going to just bake. So you're going to bake for 10 to 15 minutes. Or you bake until golden brown. But make sure that you don't use high heat. Yeah. So I think you see, our rock buns are what? Are good to go. They are ready. So you can also try out this recipe. It is a breakfast bite. What is a breakfast pastry? You can try it and take it and enjoy it on tea or evening tea or morning tea, anything of Josh. This is Chef Joshua Musisi. New viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for daily recipes and turn on the notification bell. See you next time.